Healthy back, healthy body. Get ready. Stand tall, press your feet together. Bring your palms together and stretch them over your head. Look at your fingertips.
3, 2, 1, go.
As if you want to be taller, pull your whole body up. Let your body form a straight line. Hold your position. Rest. Stand tall, spread your feet shoulder-width apart. Make sure your feet are parallel, lean forward and place your palms on your knees. Straighten your legs from your knees, straighten your back, look ahead. Focus on the sensations in your body and try to relax completely. Rest. Stand tall, bring your feet together, raise your arms up. As if you want to be taller, reach up with your whole body, lean forward slowly. Try to touch the ground with your fingertips. Keep your legs straight and do not bend your knees. Try to bend as low as possible each time. Rest. Stand tall, bring your feet together. Clasp your hands above your head. Pull your whole body up as if you want to be taller. Lean to the right, feel the tension in your left side. Keep your spine straight and lean forward or back. Do not bend, hold your position. More sideways ever. Rest. Stand tall, spread your legs apart. Place your feet parallel to each other, clasp your hands behind your back. Pull your head up as if you want to be taller, lean forward slowly. Avoid slouching your back or bending your knees. Try not to bend, try to bend lower with each rep. Rest. Bring your knees to shoulder width. Put your body weight on your hands and feet. Raise your hips and raise your arms. And straighten your legs, arms and torso form a straight line and legs are straightened. Upside down. This exercise strengthens the arms, the front of the hips, the upper back, and the abs. Good for stretching the back of the thighs, calf muscles, shoulders, and chest. Back stretching allows you to relax back muscles and reduce compression of the intervertebral discs. Rest. Lie on your stomach, maintain your push-up position. Spread your fingers apart, straighten your arms and back from your waist. Lean right. Extend your head back and up, hold your position. This exercise stretches the back and lower back muscles, relieves tension in the neck and makes the spine more flexible. During the exercise, pull your head up as if you want to get taller. Rest. Stand tall. Take a wide step forward with your right foot. Transfer your body weight to your right leg. Lower your hips. Bring your left leg back and kneel on the floor. Download. Put your hands together and over your head. Stretch right. Look at the ceiling. Reach up with your whole body up. Rest. Sit on the ground. Straighten your legs in front of you. Put your feet together. Raise your head up. Slowly lean forward. Try to reach your toes to your feet. Keep your legs straight and bend your knees. Do not bend. This exercise is very beneficial for stretching the back and lower back and improving the flexibility of the spine. It will help reduce pain syndromes. If the exercise seems difficult, you can bend your knees a little. Rest. Sit on the ground. Extend your right leg forward. Bend your left leg at the knee and press against your right thigh. Lean forward to your right leg. Try to lean forward as much as possible and clasp your feet with your hands. Exercise stretches the back and lower back and helps improve flexibility and elasticity of the spine. The back of the thighs and hips are also stretched. Try to lie down as low as possible each time you do the exercise. Rest. Rest. Sit on the ground. Spread your legs apart. Raise your arms above your head. Bend alternately right leg, middle, and left leg. Keep your legs straight and do not bend your knees. This exercise is very beneficial for stretching the back and lower back and improving the flexibility of the spine. It will help reduce pain syndromes. If the exercise seems difficult, you can bend your knees a little. Rest. Get down on your knees. Open your knees shoulder width apart. Lean back and place your hands on your heels. Put it on, bend your chest and lower back. Look straight up. Hold your position. Breaks the habit of slouching. Posture improves over time. It gives an excellent massage to the heart and all organs in the chest cavity and improves the function of the lungs. Rest. Sit in half lotus pose. Raise your hands up and bring them together. Pull your whole body up and bend your spine as if you want to be taller. Try to stretch. Hold your position. Try to keep your back straight and do not bend your arms at the elbows. Rest. Rest. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and press your feet together. Open your arms to the sides. Lengthen your spine to the sides, bend, and try to put your knees on the floor. Make sure your shoulder blades and shoulders are not lifted off the ground. This exercise stretches the spine, making it more flexible and elastic. You can also relax and get rid of accumulated tension and fatigue by doing this exercise. You complete the exercise. Congratulations!